Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Okay, right now, not a bad beach day, although the wind is shifting a little bit. Some cooler temperatures starting to come in, but we're noticing some waves at the lakeshore. Still a beach hazard statement. Still looking at some chop along the lakeshore, around 2 to 4 feet, some isolated 5-footers there. And it seems like every time I look at the Mackinac Bridge, which is good, there's a pretty good extent of traffic on it. It means a lot of visitors enjoying the upper Michigan. Okay, right now, this is what we're looking at. Water temperatures, great to see, from Holland southward in the 70s. Took quite a while to get there, even a little south of Point at 72 degrees. Mostly sunny conditions will start to develop. There's still a wave of clouds moving through and still a chop out there. So be careful if you plan on swimming. We're going to see the wind shift from southwest to north and west. So Kalamazoo right now, lots of sunshine, actually mostly sunny. And not all areas are like that. With the cold front moving through, there is kind of an area of clouds, if you will, kind of pulling up along it as this drops to the south and east. Certainly the warmest temperatures out ahead of it, where there's been more sunshine. We're starting to cool things off up to the north behind it. For instance, right now we're at 80 degrees in Grand Rapids, 68 in the Big Rapids area, and 60 is pretty common across northern Wisconsin and also northern Michigan. The 24-hour temperature change, pretty impressive out there, and we're going to feel certainly cooler temperatures for tomorrow because of a different air mass moving in and the extensive clouds and rain that is forecast for our area. Temperature right now, warmest off to the southeast. We're in the mid-80s in Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, 87 currently in the Coldwater location. It's where this heat and the sunshine are dominating, where we still have a chance of passing shower or thunderstorm. And look at the contrast of temperatures just in our viewing area, 68 to 87 degrees. You don't see that very often. All right, here's that cold front working its way through. 16-mile-an-hour wind in Grand Rapids, 15 in Holland, 13 both Kalamazoo, South Haven, and Battle Creek. So it's breezy out there as that front moves through. Also a little more humid today, and that's going to help generate at least a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. The much greater threat is going to be on the eastern side of the state towards the Thumb region. I think most of us will stay dry this afternoon, just can't rule it out. We should have a nice sunset tonight. And then the clouds come rolling in. You can see why. Showers and thunderstorms will form well off to our west in Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois. Those will roll in for tomorrow. This is one of the quicker forecast models that bring it in early in the morning hours. Most of them are a little bit later than this, but nonetheless, most of them have the same result, a lot of rain moving across the area. That moves out, still scattered shower, thunderstorm early, looks like Thursday morning. I think much of the afternoon hours will be dry. Now, in terms of severe weather, well, just a 1 out of 5 category still persists from just north of Grand Rapids up to the Bay Area. So not likely, and that's also going to be the case for Wednesday. It shifts a little bit further to the south, or at least south of Grand Rapids. More important, you can see that chance of rain pretty good, along with substantial amounts. And this is the latest from the National Weather Service with their excessive rain outlook. Yeah, we're included in a slight risk for that. I haven't seen that very often. Here's what it looks like in an 8-day forecast. More often than not, in that 8-day, we have a chance of rain within it. Still maintaining fairly warm temperatures, seasonable, with the exception of tomorrow with all that rain. 70s, that's all we get. Good movie day, I would say.
Good movie day, yeah. Very
and
active 8-day.
Watch Wood TV before you go to the movies.
Tom.